For the PBL4, I'm going to clear this, load program. So here we have the PBL. Okay, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to put the where is it? Software, the what?
It's hardware.
Hardware. Sorry, hardware. There it is. And also I'm going to put the oscilloscope. So here we have this one, and we're going to start it. In the work we can see, please select an option. Option 1 is the ultrasonic distance. I'm going to put the ultrasonic distance first now. We're going to wait to the menu to actualize. And I I have already wrote the option number 1, and it is the distance sensor. So in the distance sensor, we have to click the uh, the RE1. We click it one and click it twice, and nothing happens. Aquí está. There it is. It is very slow. I'm going to close this one to see if it is faster now. So we have the distance sensor, and if we type the letter D, so we're going to read again, and we click this, and we click this again.
Wait a moment, it's in the delay.
It's in the delay. Yes, we have a delay in the distance sensor. So then it put it that if we type the gato, we return to the menu, or the D to continue, and we are going to send again the D because we did it in the wrong
The
time.
D has already sent.
It's already sent. So
Yes.
okay, so we click the RE1, and we do it again, and we have here the measurement. So if we want to go back, we have to put the gato, and we send it. We have the delay, so it is we have to wait a few seconds. So we returned to the menu, and then we are going to see the PWM signal, that it is the option number 2. We go to the PWM. I'm going to open the oscilloscope. So we have here that it says that type A to increment. So I type A. So we have we can see in the oscilloscope that it increment the duty to 60. So I'm going to increment it until we have 600.
You can use send string if you want.
Send string.
Yes, for send many A's.
Okay, so we can, like this.
Yes.
Okay, we can increment 3 A's at the same time. So we're going to see 240. Then we have the 300. And then we have the 360. I'm going to send 3 more. So we send them, and we have the 420, where we can see in the oscilloscope that we see how it is incrementing the duty. So 540, and then I think that I missed one, so we send another A to have the 600. We can see that in the oscilloscope that it is now in the 600. We can send it again, and it happened nothing. So we can send now well, we can send in the string. We know that there are 10 now. Well,
Yes.
we're going to do 5 the first time so that we can see how it works. B2 decrement, so we are now decrementing here. We can see in the UART and in the oscilloscope that we are in fact decrementing. So we can see how it decrements, and we have 300 here. We're going to send another string with another 5, and we can see here how it is decrementing until it gets to 0. 60 and 0. If we send another time the letter B, we can see that nothing happens. And we have in the oscilloscope the 0. So we close the oscilloscope and we can type here the gato to return to the menu. So in the menu, we can go to the option number 3, that is the temperature sensor. Okay, here we have that if we want to return the gato, and we have, if we want to read a sensor again, is the letter D. So we're going to increment the temperature there. We have initially a 0. We can type the letter D to read again. And we have then the measurement. We can do it again, letter D, and read it again. That is 500 temperature. So we go back to the menu. We return to the menu, and then we're going to go to the humidity sensor. In the humidity sensor, we have a 0. Then, so we're going to increment it more or less there, and type D to read again. And we have a 37. And for the second measurement, we are going to go to the 100%. The letter D, we measure the 100%, and to go back to the menu, we have to type gato. And we go back to the menu. So that is all.